This is the stage I am, which I have my electric source, which is 220 to 240 volt AC alternative current, and I also have my transformer here, which has the input of 220 to 240 volt, and also has the output of 12 volt, that's 1.5 amps. And I have my mainboard here, my sound booster, and also my speakers. So from my electrical source, that's my secondary source, to my transformer, which has the input of 220 to 240 volt and also DC 12 volt, that's 1.5 amps. And I also have three output, that's left and right, my negative, my positive, and my ground. Transfer to the diode, to my capacitors, then to the board, which has my JRC, which is the heart of the board, and also my ceramic capacitors, which boost the sound and also to have heavy sound. My capacitors, which also filter my sound and also filter my current on the board. Then my resistors is in order to resist some voltage which will cause damage to the board. My TIP, my choke resistors, and also my diode. So from here, this main board, I tap in the wire, my wire to my speakers, that's positive and negative, and also transfer the sound from my main board to my sound booster, which the sound booster has two GRC in order to boosting the sound, to have heavy sound, to have a thick sound, to have a clearer sound on it. As you can see, I have two volume control here, which I have the low volume control, which will make the sound to be thick, to be heavy, which I also have my high volume control, that's mid, which will make the wordings to come out more clearer and more louder, and also my speakers here. So I will demonstrate that, which from my electric source as my secondary source. I'll start from there. I'll on my electric source, which is on. As you can see, the speakers now respond, which to tell you every company now is at work. So my transformer transfer the electric, transfer the voltage to my mainboard. As you can hear, the sound on my mainboard is not that clear, it's not that loud, but it's very nice, but it's not that loud. So the sound booster now boosting the sound to be more louder and more clearer. As you can see, if I will touch my input on my sound booster, the sound will be more clear and more sound. When I add my volume, my low and my high, as you can see, now the sound is more heavy and very loud. This is the stage I am, and I would like you to follow me at my next step, which I will play the song on these speakers in order for you to hear the sound, and in order for me to prove my work here, from the electrical source to my transformer, my mainboard, and also my sound booster to my speakers. Thank you for watching. See you there. Bye.